Hi, welcome students. In the phase of post summer vacation of our school, we are today starting the new phase of our online class. And that lesson that I am going to start today is biotechnology principles and processes. The term biotechnology was coined in the year 1917 by Hungarian engineer Karl Ereky. Biotechnology is a fast emerging branch of molecular biology which can be referred to as gene manipulation or recombinant DNA technology. Gene manipulation, the term is quite clear that gene, you have the very concept of this word gene, which is the segment of DNA that is able to express itself in the form of biochemicals, or in other words you can say that it controls the phenotype of a cell or the organism. So gene is manipulated in biotechnology, and that is called the recombinant DNA technology also. The technology involves cutting and pasting the desired gene into a genome. Discovery of plasmid, a circular extrachromosomal DNA in the bacterial cell which can undergo self replication independently of the bacterial chromosome and DNA. A restriction endonuclease which can break DNA at a specific site are two landmark discoveries. First one is the discovery of plasmid, which is the circular extrachromosomal DNA in the bacterial cell, and the other one, the restriction endonuclease, an enzyme which can break DNA at a specific site, are two landmark discoveries which accelerated the science of biotechnology or genetic engineering. Berg, the father of genetic engineering, who was awarded Nobel Prize in the year 1980 for his outstanding achievement of introducing SV40 gene into the bacterium with the help of lambda phage virus. The work of Cohen and Boyer in 1973 to introduce a piece of foreign DNA into plasmid of E. coli bacteria paved the way for the outstanding work done by Berg. The modern biotechnology is able to produce human insulin from transgenic E. coli bacterium. A protein or enzyme produced by such transgenic bacterium is called a recombinant protein. Transgenic bacterium, I mean here the bacteria that has been undergone change or manipulation in its genome is called the transgenic bacterium, and the protein obtained from such transformed bacterium cell is known as the recombinant protein or enzyme. Biotechnology is the integrated use of biochemistry, microbiology, and engineering science in order to achieve technological application of the capabilities of microorganisms, cultured cells, and parts thereof. I mean to say that biotechnology is the integrated use of biochemistry. There is an integration of biochemistry, microbiology, and engineering science in biotechnology, and the application of capabilities of microorganism. You know that this genome of the microorganism is altered or manipulated, and because of this manipulation the bacterial or microorganism cell develops some capabilities, and these capabilities and the products due to these capabilities obtained are the sole objective of biotechnology. Genetic engineering and chemical engineering are two domains that led to the development of modern biotechnology. Genetic engineering is the technique to alter the nature of genetic material, that is DNA and RNA, so that the altered DNA or RNA can be introduced into the host cell or organism to change its phenotype. Chemical engineering involves maintenance of sterile microbial contamination free condition to ensure the growth of desired microbes or eukaryotic cell in large quantities for the manufacture of biotechnological products such as vaccine, antibodies, antibiotics, enzymes, hormones, and medicine, etc. That's all in this video. We shall discuss more in our next video. Thank you.